Hello children, how are the things? I hope everything is fine. Children, you have to make two teams today, A team and B team. In A team, you will be there, and in B team, either your mother or father, and you are going to play a game, that is opposite games. One word you are going to say, example, happy. The mother will say, yes, she has to reply the answer, that is sad. Okay, so you will begin with the game. This is active English. Have you brought your pencil? Have you brought your eraser? See this. Children, opposites are word pairs that are related but totally different in meaning. Sentences using opposite words. Opposites are word pairs that are related but totally it is different in meaning. Happy and sad, the meaning is different. So we are going to use opposite words today in sentences. Let us learn that. Now look here. What is that? What can you see? Aeroplane. Where do the aeroplane fly? Above. The aeroplane flies above the clouds. And what do you see down? Below. Yes. What is this, children? Car. Where do the car run? Below. The car runs on the road, that is below. So above, below, above, below. Now see the next one. Yes, this animal, it is giraffe. Giraffe is a tall animal and zebra is a short animal. Now, the opposite of tall is short. The opposite of tall is short. Giraffe is a tall animal. Where do the giraffe live? Yes, you have seen it. Forest, then zoo, zebra. Yes, zebra also in forest. Tall, short, above, below. Let us go for the next. What is the boy in red t-shirt doing? He is doing exercise. Yes, children, when we do exercise and eat healthy food, you are strong. So the boy in red shirt is strong. How is the boy? Strong. But the boy in the green shirt is weak. He looks weak. Now, the opposite of strong is, can anyone tell me? Yes, children, weak. The opposite of strong is weak. The boy is strong and here the boy is weak. Now look at this. Yes, L-E-F-T, left. This red colors. Look at this. Children, come on. Move your hand towards the left side. Left, left, left. So this is left. Now move your hand towards the right side. Right, right, right. See, these are for direction. Come on, arrow shows direction, left side and right side. The opposite of left is, what is this, children? Think. Right. The opposite of left is right. Now repeat after me. Strong, weak. Left, right. Yes, children. Now let us start with the sentences. Now look here, children. In the picture, what is this? Which animal? Elephant. Now read the sentence along with me. The elephant is big. How is the elephant? The elephant is big. Now read this. The mouse is, can you tell me how is the mouse? The mouse is small. So the opposite of big is small. The opposite of big is small. So in this we use the opposite word to frame the sentences. The elephant is big. The mouse is small. Now see this. What is this your mama makes for you? It's a tea. How is the tea? Hot. Mama brings hot milk for you. So the tea is hot. When I switch off the fan, you will feel hot. So the tea is hot. H-O-T, hot. And here in the, yes, you all love to eat this. What is this, children? Ice cream. How is the ice cream? Yes, cold. Ice cream is cold. Now, the ice cream is cold. Now, if I switch off the fan, you feel hot. And if I switch on the fan, how will you feel? Cool. When you keep the water in the refrigerator, it is cool. The ice cream is cold. So the opposite of hot is cold. Now let us see the next one, children. Children, here there is one glass. This glass is filled with juice. This glass is full. I can say this glass is full, children. The spelling of full is F-U-L-L, full. Now, let us go for the next one. Children, what about this glass? Is there anything filled in the glass? No, it is empty. So, I can say that glass is empty. That glass is empty. Correct? So, full opposite is empty. Now, see this. What is that? Frog. A beautiful frog. But there is nothing on the frog. The frog looks very pretty. This frog is, how is the frog, children? This frog is dry. What is the spelling of dry? It's D-R-Y, dry. So the sentence is, this frog is dry. So what about the other frog which is in blue color? Can you say this one? Yes, that frog is what? Dry opposite is wet, because the frog is being kept under the sun. It is hanged to get it dry. So that frog is wet, children. That frog is wet. The green frog is dry, whereas that blue frog is wet. So opposite of dry is wet. Yes, now see here. What is this girl doing? This girl has made the place messy. The place is full messy. She is throwing the things here and there. Yes. So this girl is, how is the girl? Good or bad? This girl is bad. You should keep your surroundings clean. So can I say, this girl is bad. The spelling of bad is B-A-D, bad. And here in the second picture, the dustbin. Yes, the green color dustbin. What is the girl doing? She is throwing something, children. Bottle. What is that? Garbage. Now children, the waste things, we throw it in the dustbin. So that girl is good or bad? She is good girl. So can I say that girl is good? What is the spelling of good? G-O-O-D, good. So the opposite of bad is good. Now children, look at this bag. This bag is, what is the color? Correct, black. This bag is, can I say, this bag is black in color. And what about this bag? Yes children, it is white in color. So can I say that bag is white in color? That bag is white in color. So opposite of black is white. Now children, here we come for a new lesson. That is chapter number 16 we are going to write in our workbook. See, in chapter number 16, see the first one children. Can you see this? Big, small. The first sentence. The first sentence is the big dog is behind the tree. See, look at the picture children. The big dog is behind the tree. So where is the dog sitting? It is small. So where is that dog? Yes, the dog is front. So which dog is in front of the tree? Small. See, the small dog is in front of the tree. So the opposite of big is small children. Now see the second one. This is old, young. The option is given in the cloud. The old man is on the chair. If the old man is on the chair, where is the other person? Who is he? How is he looking? Yes, he looks young. Who is old? Grandfather is old. Who is young? Father is young. So, children, read the sentence along with me. The old man is on the chair. So, can I write the? My answer will begin with the. Then, young. The young man is behind the chair. Understood? You will see the options and read the spelling also children. Read the spelling and then make the sentence and write. See here 3 number now. Black, white. Look at the picture. What is there on the table? A black cat is sitting on the table. And under the table? Who is under the table? Yes, it's a cat. What is the color? White color. So please read along with me. The black cat is on the table. The black cat is on the table. So under the table? Can I write? The white cat is under the table. The white cat is under the table. The black cat is sitting on the table. See this. The sharpener is on. And now the sharpener is, I'll put under. So this is the table. The black cat is sitting on the table and the white cat is under the table. Now number 4, children, see. Thin, fat. The thin boy is in front of the tree. Look at the tree. Where is the boy standing? The thin boy is standing in front of the tree. This is tree. The boy is standing here in front. So where is the other boy standing? Behind. This is for you. Yes, children. This I am showing for you. This is your front and this is your behind. Correct? Now, but how is the boy, children? The boy looks fat. The boy looks fat. So can I say the, begin with the, first letter has to be capital, children. Fat boy is behind the tree. The fat boy is behind the tree. And at the end you are going to put a full stop. So the opposite of thin is fat. Now number 5th, big and small. Can you see the picture? Look at this picture. There are 2 dogs. One dog is sitting in the basket and the other dog is standing behind the basket. But how is the dog? How does it look? The big dog is behind the basket. The big dog is behind the basket. So, how to write the sentence? Let us repeat. Right. The then next to the you write small. The opposite of big is small. The big dog is behind the basket. So which dog is in the basket? Small dog. The small dog is in the basket. The small dog is in the basket. Now let us go for 6th one. Clean, dirty. See the picture. On the table there is a shirt kept. How is the shirt? The shirt is, yes, it looks clean. The shirt is clean. Can I say? Read the sentence. The clean shirt is on the table. The clean shirt is on the table. Now this is sharpener. On the table, children. So this is on and this is, yes, down I am keeping. Okay. So now let's see the next shirt. How is this shirt? it looks dirty. So opposite of clean is dirty. Write the dirty shirt is on the floor. The dirty shirt is on the floor. So the clean shirt is on the table. The dirty shirt is on the floor. So opposite of clean is dirty. Now look at this picture. There is a book and this is green color short ruler, and one more ruler is kept inside the book. It is in the book, but the ruler is long and the green ruler is short. So read, short and long spelling is given. The short ruler is on the book. The short ruler is on the book. So where is the other ruler kept? Right. The long ruler is in the book. Children, at the end you are going to put a full stop and begin every letter. The first letter you should begin with capital. Repeat after me. The long ruler is in the book. So opposite of short is long. Now let us start with 8th one. See the spelling. S-A-D, sad. And below is happy. Look at the picture. The boy in the water looks sad. The boy in the water looks sad. So can I say the sad boy is in the water? If the sad boy is in the water, how is this boy? Children, how is this boy then? Happy boy. How is the boy? Happy boy. How are you going to write? The happy boy then is. Next to is in. Then the. And finally you are going to write boat. The happy boy is in the boat. So opposite of sad is happy. Here children, we finished chapter number 16 and it's time to say now thank you children. You all are going to complete your workbook, learn the spellings, practice every day. It will be very easy for you to remember the spellings and opposite words. Till then, take care children.